Yo, 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 this is King Earner coming to you guys live and direct. Welcome to the Honorable Cook Show. This cook show is going to give a lot of direction to people who are single, to people who are in relationships, to people who just want to learn how to cook, especially a lot of the mothers that's running around in the world and they're like, look, I just got my honorable man and I want to, cook for him, but I don't know how to cook. Or I have my honorable children. I don't know how to cook for them. I want to learn how to cook. Well, guess what? King Earner is going to teach you the most honorablest way to cook. But I need for y'all to make sure y'all tune in. I need for y'all to make sure y'all have understanding and y'all play close attention because a lot of these dishes I'm going to be cooking for the first time. Here's my favorite dish, the honorable mackerel. Now with the mackerel, that's my favorite, the Spanish mackerel, may I say. I love it. I love it. I love it. The reason why I love it is because it gives you an honorable taste. And guess what? It's easy to make. Also, you're going to know that the turkey boil, that's one of my second best dishes I ever made. First time ever making it. Listen to me. I got everything in there and it has a lot of honor. The sauce was pure honor. This is what you call turkey smoke boil. It looks like a seafood one. Also, here is my honorable meat lovers dish. Yes, this is the honorable meatloaf. I uniquely made this sauce with the honorable cilantro on top. I uniquely made this rice. I steamed it. I don't like to cook my rice too long. I like for it to be steamed very well where it's honestly cooked because a lot of times we think that we got to do so much when we don't. Here is the honorable solid nachos that I make. Everybody loves them. I'm talking about everybody. No matter what, gender, male or female, it doesn't matter. They're going to love the honorable nacho meal. Also, I'm going to tell you this. No matter your complexion, you're going to love everything from King Earner because what King Earner gives you is pure understanding and what food should taste like. You're going to find out I'm not afraid to actually have my food process and create the honorable taste that you're looking for. You're going to find out that these nachos are the best of it. Now, let's take a look at here. This is what I will call a honorable chi-chi. Yeah, it looks like, hold on, what is this? This is a honorable. When I say honorable meal, this is the honorable chi-chi. It's special. It's not a jailhouse chi-chi. A lot of people been to chi-chis before. When you taste this, you're going to say, this has a chi-chi taste. And it doesn't mean that it's a gel chi-chi. I just need for y'all to tap in. Here's my lobster roll. This was my first time making it. I like to have my lobster rolls actually slightly toasted. This is the honorable lobster. I like to let them soak. I let them soak in the rosemary and different things in an honorable oil. And here is the king mackerel. This is one of my favorite dishes. You're going to find and love this also. Here is an honorable nacho that I made with beef cubes and different things of that nature. It was beautiful. Here is another mackerel. Here's my ahi tuna. I make the best of salads with them. With the ahi tuna, a lot of people, they like it raw. Me, I like it semi-raw. A lot of people like it cooked a lot harder than raw. And here is my salad. And I made it, I put this on it take about 3 minutes to make this. Here's what I call the honorable red snapper, but it was pink. It's pink snapper. I stuffed it with honorable tomatoes here. As you can see, it was of pure honor. These foods have the best taste because at the end of the day, you can taste every seasoning in it and you can taste every vegetable that's in it. I make sure I take my time. People cuss me out all the time and say, you're taking too long. But guess what? I want to make sure that the food is great to you. I'm also going to teach you how to make the honorable mackerel or salmon cakes. These are salmon cakes here. I learned this the other day. 2 seconds. They were so good. Okay, this is the honorable avocados. Listen to me. You got to cut these joints open. And, you see I have the honorable lime, the cilantro. What I love about avocado is the taste. A lot of people don't like avocado plain, so I suggest that you turn it into the honorable guacamole. Here's the honorable guacamole here. Listen to me. It's red onions, cilantro, plenty of lime, and some individuals put jalapenos in it. Me, I'm not a real, heavy on the hot. So, I carried the honor correctly. And I'm talking about, I got me some honorable tortilla chips. And, I just scooped them and threw them back, man. And it was a pure honor. Here is the honorable mackerel, the Spanish mackerel or the Norway, whichever one you prefer. I love mackerel. I make an honorable avocado sauce. It's creamy and it's just so good. It goes over top of the mackerel. You see how the asparagus is laying there with the honorable tomatoes. I mean, once you put your fork in this, all you're going to say is pure ills honor. Well, there you have it. Make sure y'all tune into the Honorable Cooking Show. We'll be coming in a few weeks, live and direct.